The Hub SeaWorld Research Institute Bioacoustics Laboratory had the opportunity to study 3 killer whales that had lived with bottlenose dolphins and to study their vocalizations. So I'm going to give you some examples of one vocalization type. It's called a whistle. This is a typical killer whale whistle. You see how it kind of wavers up and down and it goes on. And I'm now going to give you a couple examples of bottlenose dolphin whistles. Little, short, sharp upsweeps. You hear the difference between the two. One is kind of slow and wavery, and the other is very sharp, little upsweeps. So we ask the question, when a whale lives with a dolphin, what kind of a sound are they going to make for a whistle? And you can see sweep, sweep, sweep. So we did that with a whole lot of vocalizations from bottlenose dolphins and from the killer whales, and then compared the two. What we found is that the killer whales that had lived with bottlenose dolphins had pretty good vocal plasticity, meaning that they can learn to make new kinds of sounds. As an example, this whistle is not a typical killer whale whistle. It's more like a bottlenose dolphin whistle, but a killer whale learned to do it. The other kind of plasticity we found is that they made more of their own kinds of whistles, because dolphins whistle a whole lot, and so that made their repertoire sound more like a dolphin. This kind of study can only be done in a zoological setting where you have access to animals over long periods of time. You can get underwater video of their behavior, recordings where you know who the individual caller is, and that all has to come together for a study like this to work.